Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you a homemade magic face bleach that will bleach your facial hair, will help remove uneven dark patches on your face, will help fade tan spots, and will help the skin look dramatically youthful, fair and glowy. So let's get started. Prepare. The first ingredient that you need is 3 teaspoons of oats powder. Simply grind the oats into fine powder. Oats are perfect ingredient for getting a smooth polished skin and a bright even glow. The next most important ingredient that you need is half cup of ripe pineapple chunks. Pineapple is a great source of vitamin C that reduce uneven dark patches, wrinkles, and alpha hydroxy acids and enzymes in pineapple lightens and bleaches your facial hair, fades spots, and gives you a flawless white glow. Now the next ingredient that I'm going to add is around 2 tablespoons of fresh curd. It's a great ingredient for getting a smooth, bright and even skin tone. Then I'm going to add is 2 teaspoons of honey to boost your facial glow and to moisturize your skin. Then I'm going to add is the fresh juice of 1/4 lemon. Now those with dry or sensitive skin, you can skip lemon. Lemon is another great natural skin bleaching agent. Put all the ingredients into the mixer and blend until you get a smooth, creamy consistency. So you have to apply this pack chilled, so keep this in the refrigerator for about 20 to 25 minutes. Before applying this pack, make sure your face is completely clean. You can use rose water or any toner to clean your face. Apply a thick layer of this chilled paste with the help of a brush evenly all over your face. You can also apply on your neck. If you have dark circles, you can also apply to the under eye area. Leave it on for 25 to 30 minutes. Once it has dried, wet your fingers with cold water and gently rub to remove the pack in a circular motion, and then wash off with cool water. So after you have washed it, pat your face dry and then apply some vitamin E oil or almond oil and massage all over your face and neck until fully absorbed. This works like a magic wand in transforming your dull distressed skin to a fair, golden glowing, even smooth skin tone in just few minutes. So try this bleached mask. You will be absolutely amazed by the results, and also share your results with me. So thanks everyone, take care and bye bye.